Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't turn on. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone turned off by itself and won't turn back on. I'm on my way to send emails to the clients. Suddenly the screen went completely black and showed nothing there. I plugged it into a charger but nothing happened. My Android phone is not switching on even after charging. It's like it's just dead. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic, as Android phone not turning on issues could happen to anyone. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Your Android phone battery is running out of power. The solution here is to plug your Android phone into power. Use the charging cable that came with your Android phone to connect it to a power outlet. Make sure the connection is secure. If your Android phone successfully charges, you should see a battery icon with a lightning bolt on it. Sometimes you'll also see the battery percentage. Keep the device charging until it's over 60 minutes or the percentage reaches at least 50%. Then, press the power button to see if your Android phone turns on normally. If not, try the following methods of how to fix an Android phone that won't turn on. Cause 2. There is a temporary software glitch occurring on your phone. There are 2 solutions to fix it. 1. Restart your Android phone. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the power button. A power off screen will show up. Choose the restart option. Choose the restart option again to confirm. Let your Android boots up and starts. It might take a few seconds. When it reaches the lock screen, swipe up to unlock your device and use it again. 2. Force your Android phone to turn on. The steps to force an Android phone to power on varies slightly between different phone brands. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using OnePlus, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using Huawei, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using Oppo, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using Vivo, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If your phone has a removable battery, just pull it out, wait 15 seconds, then put it back and then long press the power button to force restart your phone. Cause 3. A malfunctioning app causes your Android device not to turn on. The solution here is to boot up your Android phone in safe mode. You'll need to make sure that your Android phone is off. When your Android phone is not turning on, the phone itself might be on but the screen is black. So, wait 1 or 2 days to let your Android phone run out of battery. Then, press and hold the power button. When you see the logo screen, let go of the power button and press the volume up buttons for a while. If everything goes well, you'll see Android phone power on with a safe mode alert showing up on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then, you can conclude that the Android phone doesn't turn on because of a malfunctioning app. Find the app that you think is faulty. Long press it on the safe mode screen to remove it. After that, press and hold the power button. A menu will appear. Choose the restart or reboot option. Then, choose restart in normal mode. Next, wait until it turns on your Android phone successfully. If the steps here can't put your Android phone into safe mode, leave a comment below to tell us your brand and we'll show you how to do so. Cause 4. Your Android phone is attacked by malware or has a failed update. The solution here is to factory reset your phone. Normally, factory reset feature in the settings app is a go-to choice to do a reset. However, it doesn't work for an Android phone that won't turn on at all. Instead, you'll need to put your device into recovery mode and then bring it back to its factory settings using a computer. Let's start. First, turn off your Android device. You can just let it run out of juice. Then, connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. Next, get into recovery mode to reset your Android phone that's not turning on. The steps vary for different phone brands. Here are the steps for some of them. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data, factory reset option and use power button to select it. Then, choose yes. If you're using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option. If you're using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes. Your Android phone will reboot and turn on by itself after the reset process is done. Note that using this method when you can't turn on your Android phone will delete everything on your phone. So, make sure you have existing backups before moving forward. Cause 5. Water damage or hardware damage. The solution here is to seek professional repairs. There are many choices available to fix an Android device that won't turn on because of noticeable cracks or breaks or hidden liquid damage. One is to bring your Android phone to an official service center of your Android phone manufacturer. The other one is to go to the device distributors or the business that you purchased a warranty from to repair and switch on your Android phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix Android phone not turning on issues, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.